koimoi.com.
She's bold, she's fierce, she's unstoppable. Be it her professional life or her personal life, Kangana Ranaut has proved that nothing can stop her. She's a queen in the true sense and will always be one. She knows how to face the world like a boss. The actress has always believed in voicing her opinions, even if that means taking panga from the entire industry. We all talk about her tweets every day, and we know Kangana Ranaut has no filter. But today, we are here to talk about the diva's fashion statement, which is just as bold as her tweets. So let's begin. Which girl doesn't like a little bit of sparkle and glitter on her dress, or maybe even in her life? Well, Kangana Ranaut is also one such girl who loves to shine. That is why she went a little too much on the glittery side while dressing up for the Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi wrap-up party. Many can go wrong with this look, but our queen, as always, slew it like a rock star. This beautiful Gauri and Nainika dress had all the details to make for a great statement-making ensemble. The sequin gown had all the girly elements we usually look out for in a summer dress. It had a slip dress silhouette, floral embellishments and a flared hem. To keep our eyes on the dress, it was smartly styled with nude sandals. We think it is safe to say that after the red carpet appearances, it is the promotional event looks that we look out for the most. Talking about Kangana Ranaut specifically, she has always been biased towards saris since forever. Not just promotional looks, but also at major red carpet events like Cannes, the actress carries around her love for a good sari. One of her favorite sari look of the actress is this one, which she wore for one of her promotional events. The actress draped a floral sari from the house of Masaba. The organza sari had a crisp and delicate rose print all over it, and the diva paired it with corset blouse of the same print. We call Kangana Ranaut queen for a reason. The lady knows how to make an appearance and kill it with her looks. Even though she chooses to go subtle, all heads turn towards her. She's a queen who does not need a crown to prove it. We are saying this because of her next look, which is on our list. The actress exuded Frida Kahlo vibes as she stepped out in a floral salwar suit and made a unique style statement in a big floral hairband with no jewelry as well as little makeup. Her subtle makeup and black sandals complemented her iconic look. Experimenting with attires and makeup is a common thing for our actresses, but Kangana took a plunge with her look, which we are going to talk about now. She gave us a peek into what it looks like when fashion meets fetish in her new outfit, and we are charmed. The actress wears her sensuality like a badge with her bold fashion choices, and we think that's quite exciting. For the trailer launch of her film Judgmental Hai Kya, Kangana showed up in what seemed like a BDSM-themed strap skirt and bustier from a German designer. Can it get any bolder? There is no denying the fact that Kangana Ranaut knows how to dress like a boss. She keeps getting better with every look of hers. If she can look like a princess in a perfectly draped sari, then she can even take your breath away with her boss lady look. One of our most favorite Western look of the actress is this one. Her ensemble consisted of a neat pantsuit in black with an exaggerated collar, gold trimmings and a cream bustier, which did complete justice in showing off Kangana's toned physique. Looking fierce as ever, she upheld her fashion queen title with the dapper pierce coupled with dewy lips and bold eye makeup. What do you think about Kangana's looks? Do tell us in the comments section below.
koimoi.com